Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you have the rare luxury of a first-class train carriage all to yourself. The train is already leaving the station as you relax beside the nearest window. Leave the headphones. The music and all the commentary are simply meant to distance you from other passengers. Today, you can enjoy the magnificent alpine scenery alone. Take a deep breath, counting to 5. Hold for a moment and breathe out. Let the gentle sway of the carriage rock you. Gaze out of the window. This view is all for you. Right now, you are traveling through farmland. Lush green fields, dotted with dappled brown and white cows. They chew contentedly, barely noticing the train. For you, this is a novelty. The cows see it every day. Their peaceful acceptance calms your busy mind still more. You take another deep breath, hold a moment, and let it go. You feel the tension disappear from your neck, and your head is comfortable on the headrest. You close your eyes and breathe. In and out, in and out. The train rocks on, climbing ever higher into the Alps. Now, you are traveling through a river valley. Mountain pastures rise on the side, but your eyes feast on the pure blue river flowing beside your train. Here it is deep and calm, flowing towards the Great Lakes down country. In the distance, you see a lone spire and turrets perched on a cliff overlooking the river. Your mind is too relaxed to wonder what it could be. Instead, you allow the view to come to you and find yourself looking at an ancient church, part of a once great monastery. As your thoughts drift, you can imagine the peaceful monks going about their lives amid the mountain splendor. You can almost hear the deep bells calling them to prayer. Your breath slows even more, in and out as the train leaves the river, speeds through a forest of pine trees and into a deep, dark tunnel. The black walls flash by, taking you ever closer to the pass. Finally, the train has come to the high Alps. Outside your window is the view you've been waiting for. Snow-covered peaks tower towards the blue sky. Craggy grey rocks overlook smooth white slopes. The crystal called Vista contrasts with the warmth of your cozy carriage. The mountains stretch on and on. Their beauty lulls you even more. Now you simply watch and breathe. Thank you for listening. I hope that this audio journey has helped you unwind, or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce, they're also very time-consuming to make. If you want to support my work and allow me to make more of these in the months and years to come, I have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders and more, I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.